guys, this is Umair and welcome to Umisoft, where I provide powerful automation solutions to make your work easier and more efficient. If you are tired of repetition and looking for solutions to improve your workflow, then you are in the right place. I specialize in automation boards and web scraping platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Amazon, lead generation services, and more. These boards save your time, effort, and resources, helping you scale your business effortlessly. With many successful projects and hands-on experience, I offer custom solutions based on your demands. And the best part, I'm introducing AI integrated features into my automation boards, keeping you ahead with the latest technology. As your business grows, automation and web scraping can help you save time, work efficiently, and stay ahead of competitors. Instead of wasting hours on repetitive work, let automation handle it, so you can focus on what truly matters in your business. So thanks for your time in getting to know about Umisoft and me. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to reach out. I'm looking forward to take your business with automation solutions to the next level.